laws do enough to protect victims of cyberbullying?
Well, the state Supreme Court believes they need some tweaking, and that's why today the court reversed the conviction of a Scott County student. Fox 9's Iris Perez live in the newsroom for us tonight. Iris, the way the law is written makes it difficult to prosecute.
Randy, and according to the defense attorney involved, trying to write a law that constitutionally covers cyberbullying is extremely difficult because the First Amendment provides very broad and wide protections for free speech.
Not only is it probably not feasible to prosecute every instance of online bullying, it's just not lawful.
The state Supreme Court Wednesday ruled when it comes to a 3-year-old Scott County cyberbullying case, our stalking and male harassment laws are too broad and impede on free speech.
Speech has a fundamental protection under the First Amendment. And that's, in its opinion, that's what the Supreme Court was recognizing here.
Defense attorney John Archigo fought to get the case before Minnesota's Supreme Court after his client, a juvenile, created a tweet storm of 40 posts targeting a student with autism because he wanted to teach him a lesson.
Our position is essentially that's public speech, and if you're not threatening to actually hurt somebody, then it cannot be prosecuted.
Archigo's client was convicted of felony and gross misdemeanor stalking and misdemeanor harassment. All of those convictions are now reversed on First Amendment grounds.
It sends a message to kids that this kind of behavior will be tolerated and not to be found illegal.
Attorney Phil Villayume argues to protect bullying victims.
And the courts civilly will find that there is no freedom of speech when it comes to bullying, especially in the schools.
And this is where both sides can call a truce, as both Archigo and Villayume say the case was better handled by the school or civil court.
They can pursue some civil remedies. They can try to get restraining orders to prevent somebody from contacting somebody or talking about somebody. There were a handful of other options in place that, in my opinion, should have been used.
The case will now go back to juvenile court to explore a redefined harassment statute. If the court says there's enough evidence to convict on the misdemeanor harassment charge, it will be re-entered. Live in the newsroom, I'm Iris Perez. Randy, Karen, back to you.
All right.